Morning guys. So unsa nga adlaw karon? October 19 ay 20. My gosh, 20.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday guys. So here Manainday and May, Amanong JC. They're going back to Perth. 4 hours by plane. Yan, susad, 'di ba? Pagkatapos ng bakasyon, kailangan umuwi. Back to normal. Kung millionaire lang may, pwede. Laglaag na lang taan eh. Sa untaman. Yan. Mga boys. So, yeah, uwi na sila. Kami naman tomorrow. October 21st. For today's video, guys, nasa food court po kami sa Central. Diba Central ni? Yan guys, ito yung food court nila sa Central Sydney. Hi guys. Welcome to my guys vlogs. Yan si Sir, oh. Yan. Si Colonel, ano yan? Colonel Lanozo. Yan si Colonel Quezon. So guys, nandito kami sa Central City. Central ng Sydney guys. Ang bango naman. So ayan, tambay lang muna kami. Ini-enjoy namin yung ano. Ini-enjoy namin yung ano ba? Ini-enjoy namin yung araw ng ganda, yung moment at ang magandang panahon
ng Sydney.
Yes. Ayan guys. Ayan. Oh. What can you say, Cha-Cha? Do you want to? How do you like Sydney so far? Yan ang train. So beautiful. Unlimited food. Was. Oh guys, you heard that? She wanted to stay here for good. Yan yung train nila guys.
I want to stay here.
Yes. Yan. Ang ganda ng panahon today. Actually, naka-jacket pa rin ako, pero I can take this off. Yan. Charot. Yan guys. So today is Friday. Bawi na po kami bukas, kaming lahat.
Picture tayo, tita.
Para na Costco na din, that's it. Impake na.
Smile.
Para rin.
Picture tayo, tita. 0.5. 0.5.
Wala na.